Please, I have to get this visa and I'm going to go to extreme measures to get this visa. I really don't care as far as I'm concerned. I will lie and tell that woman what she wants to hear as long as she gives me my visa.
How do you think you get the visa of this your cup?